Checking the homework? Are you going to check the homework?
No, ma'am, just ask only.
Okay. Just let me inform, okay?
Okay. Can you start, ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am. Sure.
Good afternoon, dear students. Good afternoon, Erin. Good afternoon, Naina. Okay, good afternoon, all. Last class, we discussed problems from Pythagoras theorem. I hope all of you write answer 2 times. But only few students put message to me. What happened to others? After completing that homework 2 times, I told, take photo and send me through WhatsApp. Only few students send me. Exam pressure. Headache. Exam that's over. Then Saturday only, isn't it? Huh? What about others? You have also exam tension? Hmm? If you didn't write classwork 2 times, you can't follow triangle. After 1 month, you can't study. Khalid, why can't you put message to me, take photo and send me through WhatsApp? Okay. So up to 13th question we completed. Today's first question. Question number 14. Khalid forgot. That's why. That's the problem. If you didn't write, you can't follow triangles. Okay, Nestor ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Question number 14. Question number 14. Write question number 14 from your textbook. Exercise 6.5. Question number 14. The perpendicular from C of a triangle ABC intersects this question. Finish writing. Go through the question. The perpendicular from A. Perpendicular from A on side BC. perpendicular. This one is the perpendicular. Perpendicular from A, one side BC of a triangle ABC intersects BC at D. Intersects BC, intersects the side BC at the point D. Such that BD is equal to 3CD. That is given. BD equal to 3CD. Prove that 2AB square equal to 2AC square plus BC square. That you have to prove. 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. So in this question, it is given that AD is the perpendicular, ABC is the triangle, AD is the perpendicular, that the AD intersects BC at the point D, perpendicular from A to the side BC intersect at the point D, BD is equal to 3CD. That is given in the question. BD equal to 3CD. Okay, to prove, what do we have to prove? This question it is given that to prove 2AB square equal to 2AB square equal to 2AC square plus BC square. 2AC square plus BC square. That you have to. This is perpendicular. Perpendicular from A to BC intersect at the point D such that BD is equal to 3CD is given. To prove 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. So we can start from prove. To prove 2AB square is equal to, isn't it? To prove AB 2AB square. So consider the triangle with the AB as hypotenuse. So consider this triangle AD. Okay. First of all, write given this question given that BD equal to 3CD. AD perpendicular. AD perpendicular. AD is the perpendicular. BD equal to 3CD. To prove 2AB square equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Look at the question and write. Here AB. This is the AB to prove AB square. So hypotenuse AB. Consider this triangle. Consider this triangle ADB. Okay, this triangle. In this triangle ADB, prove angle in triangle ADB. Angle ADB equal to 90 degree. Net. Angle ADB equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, we can write AB square equal to hypotenuse square equal to hypotenuse square is equal to AD square plus BD square. AB square can be written as AD square plus BD square. Hypotenuse square equal to sum of squares of other two sides. So AD square plus BD square by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, we can write like this. Here we have to prove that 2AB square equal to 2AC square plus BC square. There is no AD and BD. To prove 2AB square equal to 2AC square plus BC square. So we have to change AD and BD. How can we change AD and BD? AD and BD change to BC or AC. BC or AC. We have to change to BC or AC because we have to prove that 2AB square equal to 2AC square plus BC square. This one we have to prove. 2AB square equal to 2AC square plus BC square. So AB square is here, so we have to change AD and BD. Convert AD and BD. That way we have to do the follow like this. Check the proof. Check what we have to prove. According to that proof, we have to continue. So AB square equal to AD square plus BD square. So change this to BC or AC. So how can we BC, AC or AB? So AD in this triangle, AD can be written as, consider this triangle. This triangle, AD square can be written as, how can we write AD square? AD square can be written as hypotenuse square minus CD square. So AD square can be written as AC square minus CD square. So AD square can be written as AD square means altitude square equal to hypotenuse square minus AC square minus CD square plus BD square plus BD can be written as, given that BD equal to 3CD. Okay, BD equal to 3CD the whole square. So from here, otherwise we can write this is BD square itself, BD square. Then the bracket you have to write. How to get this? In right triangle ADC, by Pythagoras theorem we can write AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. So from that we can write AD square equal to AC square minus CD square. This is step. AD square can be written as AC square minus CD square. Then BD square write as it is. Okay. Then AC square minus CD square plus BD. BD can be written as 3CD. BD equal to 3CD the whole square. In the bracket you have to write given that BD equal to 3CD. So we write like that 3CD. Okay. So AB square equal to AB square is equal to AC square minus CD square plus 3CD square. So we can write this as AC square minus CD square plus 3CD whole square, that is 9CD square. So when we add this, so this becomes AC square plus 8CD the whole square. Okay, I'll explain later. Now we erase that one. Okay. So AC square plus 8 into, we need AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. So CD can you write CD as BC? Can you convert CD into BC? So look in the figure, BC equal to, this BC equal to, why we convert? In that prove that there is no CD, so we have to change this CD to BC. So BC equal to CD plus DB, isn't it? So BC equal to CD plus DB means DB or BD, that is 3CD. So BC means 4CD. Okay, so BC is equal to 4CD. So we can write BC divided by 4 equal to CD. BC divided by 4 equal to CD. So here 8 into CD can be written as BC by 4 the whole square. So that's equal to AC square plus 8 into BC square divided by 16. Then cancel this, become 2. So AB square equal to AC square plus BC square by 2. Whole multiply by 2. Or you multiply, cross it. This 2 cross it. Then we get 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. This is 2. All multiply by 2, then here become 2, here become 2, and here 2 and 2 cancel. So this becomes 2AB square equal to 2AC square plus BC square. This one is the result. I'll explain one more time. First of all, we have to prove that 2AB square equal to, we have to prove that 2AB square equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Look into that and you have to follow. So AB square, first of all, you have to consider the right triangle with the AB as hypotenuse. So consider this first triangle. Okay. So here AB square can be written as, in right triangle ADB. In right triangle ADB, this green ADB, AB square equal to, by Pythagoras theorem, we can write AB square equal to hypotenuse square equal to sum of squares of other two sides, AD square plus BD square, by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem. After that, you have to look into that proof. AB square there, then here no AD and no BD. So we have to convert all this into AC or BC. Convert this into AB, BC or AC. AB, BC or AC. We have to convert this. So here AD square, in this right triangle, AD can be written as AD square is equal to AC square. AD square means altitude of this triangle. That's it. Consider the second triangle. The second triangle, AD square equal to hypotenuse square, AC square minus AC square minus CD square plus BD square, right as it is. This is AD square. The bracket you have to write in right triangle ADC. In right triangle ADC, AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. From that we can write AD square is equal to AC square. AD square equal to AC square minus CD square. Okay. So after that, so here again you can write AC square minus CD square plus BD. BD can be written as BD. BD means that's equal to 3CD. That is given. BD can be written as 3CD the whole square. The bracket you have to write given that BD equal to 3CD. So instead of BD, we can substitute 3CD. We want to add, combine this. That's why. So here AC square minus CD square plus 9CD square. So when we combine these two, so this become minus 1 CD, 8 CD. So this become 8 CD square. So after that, you have to convert into CD, convert into BC because we need BC here. Yes, already here we need BC. So CD and BC, write a relation connecting CD and BC. Look into that figure. This is BC. BC equal to 1 CD. This is 1 CD. 1 CD plus 3 CD. Isn't it? This is 3 CD. So this total, that is 4 CD. So BC is equal to 4 CD. So when we divided by 4, BC divided by 4 equal to CD. That is CD is equal to 1 by 4 BC. CD can be written as 1 by 4 BC. So here AC square plus 8 into CD can be written as BC by 4 the whole square. So after that, AC square plus 8 into BC square divided by 16. When we cut it, this becomes, so AB square equal to AC square plus BC square by 2. So after this step is AB square equal to AC square plus BC square by 2. Then whole multiply by 2, then become 2AB square equal to 2AC square plus BC square. One is the result. Is it clear? There is an F from right triangle ADC. Here. From right triangle ADC. Here you have to write given. BD equal to 3C. given BD equal to 3 cities, so instead of BD, you can write 3. After completing this, you have to write. Here, you have to write
It's okay, ma'am. You can continue. It's okay, ma'am.
Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am. We can
Yes,
see
ma'am.
the board.
Okay, ma'am.
This writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Finish writing.
Okay, write this question. This question number 15. Write question number 15. Write question number 15. Then equilateral triangle ABC. Then equilateral triangle ABC. D is a point on side BC. Such that BD equal to 1 by 3 BC. Prove that 9 AD square equal to 7 AD square. B3, BC. B T equal to 1/3 BC. 9 AD square equal to 7 AD square. Here we can't say that this one is the perpendicular. Why? This question it is given that BD is equal to 1/3 BC. If it is half, if it is in the midpoint, then only we can draw this perpendicular. That's why I draw like this. BD equal to 1/2 BC. And if it is the midpoint, we can draw median and altitude are same. And then we can draw, if it is, then we can say that this one is the altitude and this one is the median. But it is given that it is BD equal to 1/3 BC, so D is not a midpoint. That is very important. So you can't say that is the altitude. So altitude, we need perpendicular. Then only we can apply Pythagoras theorem. We need perpendicular. So construction needed in this question. We have to construct perpendicular AE. AE perpendicular BC. Construction. We need construction because you must understand that D is not a midpoint. Since D is not a midpoint, that is not altitude. So we have to construct altitude AE perpendicular BC. So construction also you have to write construction. Construction, draw AE perpendicular BC. Draw AE perpendicular BC. Proof. How to prove this? To prove 9 AD square equal to 7 AD square. 9 AD square. So consider the triangle. Consider the right triangle with the AD as one of the sides. Isn't it? AD. This one is 90 degrees, isn't it? So consider this one. ADE. Here is AD square. This is hypotenuse. This side is hypotenuse. And this one is the right triangle. This is our construction. ADE perpendicular. So the right triangle. So consider this right triangle ADE. In this right triangle ADE, we can write AD square is equal to, right? In, how can we write? In right triangle AED, AD square hypotenuse square is equal to, AD square is equal to, how can we write? AE square plus AE square plus DE square, sum of squares of other two sides. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. Okay. So here, there is no AE or DE. We have to prove that this is AB. So we have to convert AE and DE into AB, BC or AC because this is an equilateral triangle. So instead of AB, we can write BC square or AC square because all these sides are equal. So we have to convert this into BC square or AC square because this is an equilateral triangle. AB equal to BC equal to CD. So we have to convert this into side AB, BC or AC. So we are going to convert this into AB, BC or AC.
In triangle AED, അതിനകത്ത് Pythagoras theorem എന്ന് എഴുതാൻ പറ്റുമോ?
By Pythagoras theorem, that you have to write. By Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, this is 90 degrees. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So here AE square. How can we write AE? AE square. Consider this right triangle. AE. AE. Consider this triangle AEB. Here is, we can convert AE square into AB square and base, isn't it? Convert this into outer sides. Okay. So AE square can be written as AB square. AE square we have to convert. AE square can be written as AB square minus hypotenuse square minus BE square plus DE square right as. From where you get? From right triangle. From right triangle AEB. From this right triangle AEB, we can write AB square hypotenuse square equal to AE square plus BE square. So from that we can write AE square equal to AE square right there. Then B shift to the side, so this becomes AB square minus B square. So AE square can be written as AB square minus B square. Okay. AE square can be written as AB square minus B square, D square right up. So AB square. No need to change AB square. So we have to prove 9AD square equal to 7AB square. AB square not to change E and D. We know that E is the perpendicular. That one is the altitude. So we can say that E is the midpoint. Since it is an equilateral triangle. So BE can be written as half BC. BE is equal to half BCD whole square plus DE. DE, how can we write DE? Here DE equal to, look here, DE equal to BE minus BD. BE minus BD. DE equal to BE minus BD. BE means half BC. BE half BC. BD, it is question, it is given that BD equal to 1 by 3 BC. That is given in the question. BD equal to 1 by 3 BC. So BD can be written as 1 by 3. So here we convert. DE can be written as BE minus BD. BE minus BDD whole square. So after that, we can write AD square equal to AB square minus B 1 by 2 BC. 1 by 2 BC means that is 1 by 4 BC square my plus then this one BC minus BD. BD 1 by 3 BC, that is given in the question. Question it is given that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Okay, so 1 by 3 BC the whole square. So that is equal to AB square minus 1 by 4 BC square plus what is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3? That is 1 by 6 BC the whole square. So this is equal to AB square minus 1 by 4 BC square plus 1 by 6 the whole square means 1 by 36 BC square. BC and AB are all same. So BC square we can write it as AB square. So that's equal to AB square minus 1 by 4 AB square plus 1 by 36 AB square because it is an equilateral triangle. So we have to convert all this into AB. So AD square equal to AB square minus 1 by 4 AB square plus 1 by 36 AB square. Then whole multiply by 36. So 36 AD square equal to 36 AB square. When we multiply 36 here, 9 minus 9 AB square. When we multiply 36, 36 and 36 cancel. So this becomes AB square. So 36 AD square equal to this 36 AB square. So 36 minus 37 minus 9. What is 28? 28 AB square. So when we whole divided by 9, whole divided by 4, we get 9 AD square is equal to 7 AD square. One is the proof. It's the most difficult question in this lesson. How is it? Can I explain one more time?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll explain one more time. Listen to me. So here we have to prove that 9AD square equal to 7AD square. That's what we have to prove. 9AD square equal to 7AD square. For that, first of all, AD, start from here, AD square. So consider the triangle with the AD as hypotenuse. This is the red triangle. This one is AED. In right triangle AED, we will get AD square. So start from there, proof. In a right triangle AED, this small triangle, consider. In right triangle AED, by Pythagoras theorem, we can write AD square equal to what we can write? AD square equal to AE square plus D square. Clear? AD square, hypotenuse square is equal to AE square plus D square because this is 90-degree equilateral triangle. So here, after that, AD square is equal to 7AB square. We have to convert this into AB, BC or AC because all sides are equal. We can shift all this into if it AB, BC or AC. That's our aim. Our aim is to convert this into AC, AB, BC or AC. Convert into outer sides. So AE square, consider this triangle AEB, this green. This one. This big triangle AEB. In this big triangle, you can write AE square equal to hypotenuse square AB square minus AE square is equal to hypotenuse square minus BE square. AB square minus B. AB square minus B square. Clear? AE square can be written as this one only. AE square can be written as AB square minus BE square. Then write DE as it is plus DE as it is plus DE square plus DE square. Okay, so convert AE into this one and DE write as it. AE square can be written as in right triangle AEB. AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square. AE square plus B square. From that we can write AE square is equal to AB square minus BE square. That is the step. AE square can be written as AB square minus BE square. D square, no change, write as it. So after that, AB, not to change this one, AB square write as it is minus. The next is we have to change B and DE to BE. This is simple. BE can be written as half BC. BE means half BC. Half BC the whole square. Plus, we convert into DE. DE, the small portion. DE is this portion. This one is DE. But DE equal to BE because we get BE, we can convert into AB. That's why BE minus DE can be written as BE. Write like this because BE we can write it as half BC. We can convert into BC. BD it is given that 1/3 BC. That's why we convert DE into BE minus B. So DE can be written as BE minus BD the whole square. This square, so here also write. So that's equal to AB square minus 1 by 4 BC square plus BE. BE means half BC. BD means 1 by 3 BC. The whole square. Bracket you have to write given that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. How we write like this? BE, since E is the midpoint, we can write B is equal to half BC. BD 1 by 3 BC, that is given. So that's equal to AB square minus 1 by 4 BC square plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Take LCM. So that can be written as 1 by 6 BC the whole square. Okay. After that, how can we write? AB square minus 1 by 4 BC square plus 1 by 36. 1 by 6 BC means 1 by 36 BC square. So what is this? AD square. So AD square equal to AB square minus 1 by 4 BC square plus 1 by 36 BC square. Then it is easy. Then whole multiply by 36, we will get it. Multiply whole by 36. How can we write? Whole multiply 36. 36 AD square is equal to 36 AB square. Before that, you have to convert this into. Before that, you have to convert all this into AB. That is easy. AB square minus 1 by 4 AB square plus 1 by 36 AB square, because we know that AB is equal to, because we know that AB is equal to BC. Equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal, so BC we can convert it. So that's equal to, then whole multiply by 36. 36 AD square equal to 36 AB square minus. Then we multiply 36 and 4 cancel, then 9. 9 AB square. When we multiply 36 here, 36 and 36 cancel, so here becomes AB square. Whole multiply by 36. Multiply 36. Whole multiply by 36. 36 AD square equal to 36 AB square minus 36 divided by 4, 9. 36 by 36, 1 8. So here, add 36 AD square equal to, then 36 plus 1, that is 28 AD square. So divided by 4, because we need 9 AD square. So whole divided by 4, we get 9 AD square equal to 7 AB square. Hence proved. Okay, clear? So clear to you? No response? It's a difficult question. Have to write this 2, 3, or 4, 5 times. You have to write this. Okay, then only the exam time is easy for you. Otherwise, it is difficult. When you write this again and again, then that step will clear. Not to by heart, you have to one by one. You have to write this step. Write 3 or 4 or 5 times. Sometimes this question asks as it is, and it is easy.
Okay, ma'am. Shrikala ma'am, 1 o'clock.
Okay, ma'am. So if you have any doubt, ask me firstly. Okay. Did you finish this?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Clear, no doubt. Okay, thank you, students. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.